2012 Dodge Ram HEMI 5.7 liter single cab. Beautiful truck. Beautimous is the word of the day. We're gonna create new words today. As you can see, still got the stock converters there and there. Then we did true duals and we crossed them over into an X pipe. See them right there like that. It looks a lot prettier and nicer. There's the X pipe, 3-inch. And it's got 2.5-inch pipe going in all the way right there. Then it goes all the way back into two FLOWMASTER Super 10s right there side by side. Then we kept the same tailpipes. They were 2.25, and we put in 4-inch double wall tips. One right there and one right there. And there's the system. There it is right there. Hope you guys like it. Came out really nice and beautiful. Beautimous. Beautimous. Guys, enjoy. You guys wanted true duals? You guys got true duals. Here you go. Give it gas. This sounds beautimous. Come on back. And this is the old stuff we cut off. The two tips, the intermediate pipe, and the gigantic muffler. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Yes, sir.
Sure, just bring it on in. We'll take a look at it for you. It's free of charge to check it, so no problem.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face,